to my channel. So guys, today I'm about to prepare Efo Riro soup. I have some water leaf. I'll be using water leaf and pumpkin leaf, some beef, onions, crayfish, some fresh fish, and some smoked catfish. Maggi, salt. In here I have pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, red bell pepper, fresh tomatoes and onions. So let's get started. The pumpkin leaf is here. You get to see it when I add it. So let's start. My pot is clean.
I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see. I'm picking up books to get inside the heads of the ones who happen to life instead of it happening to them. I wonder if I'll make a difference like that, even if it don't happen fast. I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it to be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see. I'm picking up books to get inside the heads of the ones who happen to life instead of it happening to them. I wonder if I'll make a difference like that, even if it don't happen fast.
So guys, our soup is ready. Our Efo Riro soup is ready. So guys, what will you use to eat this kind of soup? Let me know at the comment section. As for me, I use my fufu to eat this soup. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye.